Welcome to another Photoshop Fix tutorial. So now we are going to work with some of the healing tools in Photoshop. So I'm going to tap plus button. This time I've got an image that is on my phone. I'm going to go down to mobile graphics where I've got an album and I will choose the cow. And there is the cow. Couple tips about navigating, of course, in Photoshop Fix. A pinch zoom allows you to zoom in and out of different parts of the picture and also drag around and pan, which is super useful. So looking at this cow photo, I've got the cow in the foreground, but I'm really troubled by that cow right there. So let's see if we can take care of the background cow. Bottom menu bar, I'm tapping on healing and I am going to go to spot heal. And I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to paint over the cow. And I'm going to pinch zoom. Work my way around here. Yeah, that's not bad. Now, a couple useful tips. Top menu, there is a redo or an undo and a redo button if that's what you're into. If things get a little too wild with your spot healing, like there is a restore that will paint back what has been lost if you go a little too far. I'm going to go back to spot heal though and clean up this cow. Left side, you can choose the size of your brush by tapping size and dragging up and down, which is super useful for this detail work like I am doing here. You can also adjust the hardness, and then this strange gridded image will permanently display the pink mask area. So this is like pushing Q for quick mask for you desktop users, you know what I'm saying? And you can tap it again, turn that off. Let's zoom out. So not bad, although I am troubled by something, friends. And Photoshop doesn't know that this is a field or a city or whatever. So notice there's our original shrubbery. And it just replaced the cow with another shrubbery over here. Not a huge fan of that. So I'm going to tap on the patch tool. Actually, I'm going to go back to spot heal. Select that area of the shrubbery by putting in a mask with my finger, then tap on the patch tool. See how I have a red outlined area there? Now I'm going to tap and hold that red outline area, and I'm moving over, and this is always really helpful when there's a horizon line there, and let go. That is working a whole lot better for me. I'm kind of into that. A couple more things. There's some houses in the background. I can just go again, spot heal, goodbye house, like that. And there we have it. Photoshop Fix healing tools. I love it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.